Hi, my name is Andrea Barnes, and I am the co host for this year's AFP Utah 2021 fundraising conference. And I first wanted to thank you very much for being our sponsor and also our exhibitors. We are using a brand new platform this year because we're going all virtual, and we want to make this a great experience for both our attendees as well as for you. And we want to help you make the very most out of your experience working with our organization in our conference. So I thought it might be helpful, since you've probably never been on this platform before, to just give you a little insight into what you can do with your space and the messaging that you can provide for our attendees. So I'm going to just take a second to share my screen, and then I'll give you a little tour of the Socio app, and that's a platform that we're using to launch our conference. Just a second. Okay, I am in a conference that I attended the other day, and I still have the access to the conference. And our attendees will also have access to our conference for up to a year after our event. And so this is a way that your messaging can continue to live on. This is some of the features of this are that there is a menu over to the left. You know, we've got a welcome page here. We have down here on the bottom left-hand corner, there are banners, and we can do announcements in the banners, as well as recognition for our sponsors and any kind of information that we want our attendees to see and know about during the middle of the conference. Where I really wanted to go is to show you what a sponsor booth looks like. So I have just clicked on our sponsors, and you can see that you have a lot of beautiful visibility here. So you can have a banner photograph, you can use logos, and then you should start to think about what kind of copy you might like to use. So for example, for this host users group, they just happen to be a volunteer organization that's a professional association that has used this platform before, and they just wanted you to know a little bit about who they are. So on the right hand side, you can see that you get to have a one paragraph statement. If you have a speaker in our event, we would link your speaker onto your page, but that also links over onto all of the event parts of our program. And then there's also the opportunity to provide any link that you want. That could be a website link. It could be a call to action button. So you might want to say, reach out to make an appointment, 20% off your first consultation. You can create any kind of offer that you want. If you have a link to a YouTube page or to your website or anything that you feel like is going to give our attendees the best information on how to access your services. So I would say use your space kind of like you would in a blog. Have a couple of titles, use pictures, use a lot of copy, and just write whatever it is that you would like for people to know. And you can say as much as you want or as little as you want, but this is your opportunity. You can even embed video clips. The other thing that you can do is on the day of the event, if you want anyone to reach out to you live, then you can create a Zoom link and just have your Zoom link open, and then people can come into the Zoom room and talk to you personally. That's completely an option. Obviously, we are now 2 weeks out, and so that gives us just a little bit of time to get all of this set up for you. I'm going to just show you one more. So this is another company. This company helps organizations like ours produce online events. So they're the DeJulius group. And so again, they have a paragraph off to the right, and then they are linking to the presenter that is part of this particular conference. And you can see over on the left-hand side how graphic it is and how much of a splash that they are making and would like to make. And so you really can put in anything that you want. You can link to videos that you have. You can link to PowerPoints that you have. You can link to any number of blogs that you have already written. Anything that you feel like, if you have a book if you have some sort of a service that people can buy, this is your opportunity to put it into your sponsorship page. So I hope that gives you an idea of how best to use this platform. It's beautiful and it is interactive. And one of the things that we'll do to make sure that people come to your space is we will go into your copy and we will find something that's interesting in there, and we will use that as part of our gamification. So we have a contest going in our conference, and when our participants do the things that we want them to do, like complete an evaluation or introduce themselves or um, go onto a site or go in and find out information about one of our speakers. We give them a code, and then the code is worth a certain number of points. And so we will assign codes and point values to your for people to go in and visit your exhibit. And that way we ensure that our attendees are going in, attending your booth, making sure that they understand what services you have to offer. I hope this helps. Please reach out to me as soon as possible with your copy, with any graphics, any links that you want, any call to action buttons that you want, and I will make sure that you have a booth that you can be proud of. Thanks so much.